Today's topic is how Expand smERP's ticket system works. Here we can see a user doing work in our system. Now she faced a problem while creating a sales order. Whenever you face any problem, option 1, you can call our dedicated support team and describe the same. Our support team will help and guide you through the process. Option 2, you can raise a ticket against it by utilizing our ticket module. Now let's see how to raise a ticket. At first, go to Help, then click on the ticket button. Now click on New. Enter the subject on the ticket and give a brief description of the same. You can also attach the screenshots or files with the ticket for the references. Just click on this Add button, then choose the file. Select your file and then click on Attach File button, then click on OK. Select the priority type based on the urgency, then select the module and the menu option. Then click on Save. To check your ticket status, click on the Raise Ticket. Here you can see the response made by Expand support team. Just follow the described steps and find the resolution. If further clarity is needed, you can call or reply on the same ticket.